Lots louder. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Hey, Mr. Monarch!
Presenting.
Ooh. How beautiful.
Why are all these people here? A what? A butterfly release?
Yeah.
Oh, that sounds like fun. I want to see that. Does anybody know where it's going to be?
Right here.
Oh, it's here?
It's here.
Right here.
When? Did you get that in the back? There's going to be a butterfly release here, now.
Yeah.
Pass it on. Who's doing it? I want to see it.
Say you.
I'll do the best I can. So we are going to release painted lady butterflies today. Those are the most widespread butterfly in the world. They are also sometimes known as excuse me, thistle or cosmopolitan butterflies. And before we release them, we're going to talk about their life cycle. So they start as eggs. These eggs are about the size of a head of a pin, and you'll find them on leaves. And they stay there for 3 to 5 days, and they hatch into a caterpillar, and that caterpillar eats leaves. And that caterpillar is called a larva, and the painted lady larva looks like this. And it does pretty much nothing but eat for 5 to 10 days. And then it does something called pupates, which means it turns into a pupa. And as it grows, from all that eating, it sheds its skin several times. And then it turns into a pupa, or you've seen this called a chrysalis. Sort of like a little cocoon that it's inside. And it will stay there for about a week to a week and a half. And right when it's about to come out as a butterfly, that coating becomes almost transparent, and you can see the butterfly inside ready to come out.
Wow.
And when it turns into a butterfly, the first thing it does is it hangs upside down and pumps blood into its wings so that it can fly. And the wings will dry, and it will fly a few hours after it emerges from there. And these butterflies live about 2 weeks. And then that cycle of life starts all over again. They lay eggs and we start all over again. And so in this box are some of those butterflies that have been through all that. And they got here just yesterday. And so today, if there are any kids that want to get up closer, come right on up. You can look. When these butterflies are released, they're going to be hungry. And so you'll notice if you see some oranges around here, leave them alone. Those are for the butterflies to eat. When they're released, they might land anywhere. They might land on you. And if they do, they will not hurt you. So please don't hurt them. And one of the main things is when they are released, they're going to fly around and they get tired and they will be on the ground. So please, as you're walking away and as you're around here today, watch where you're walking. Most of them will land on plants, but sometimes they'll land on the ground. And kids, when you open this box, there might be a little bit of red liquid. It's not blood. That's that liquid that comes from them drying their wings, okay? So we ready? Everyone want to see some butterflies?
Yeah.
Let's see here. Let's see if we've got some butterflies in here. Oh. Oh. Oh, looky there. Look, we're not going to touch them. We can come up and look. Be careful because they lie on the ground. Yep. Aren't those pretty?
He's on my foot.
Oh, goodness.
Red stuff.
Be careful.
He went off.
The red stuff is just the fluid from their wings from when they came out of that chrysalis. When they come out, they're all wet, and they flap to dry their wings. It's not blood. It's from their wings.
There's a lot of them.
Yep. Just wing fluid from their wings.
Ooh.
Aren't they pretty? Some of them won't leave for a while. They like to stay here. Yeah. So the painted lady butterfly. Fly away, high away.
It's fuzzy, huh? There it went.
They're just brand new. They just came out of that chrysalis not too long ago, and yesterday.
Very cool. Got a lot of people here. Dylan's flying around. They're everywhere. And they've got oranges right here. Thank you, Mr. Monarch. There's this guy. Whoop. How do they find the oranges? That one looks very excited.